This is Anjay. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, girls, my students, viewers, Shotao, Assalamu alaikum, Marhaba, Sabal Khair, Privet, Tajahao, Ni Hao. Hello everyone. Hello everybody. My students, today we are going to view the mixed phrases and sentences with phrasal verbs. These have an importance in speaking. Let's start our lesson behind on the whiteboard. Here see my students, the first sentence is Saira looks pensive today. Saira looks pensive today. सायरा आज उदास दिखाई देती है. सायरा looks pensive today. सायरा आज उदास दिखाई देती है. सायरा आज उदास दिखाई देती है. सायरा looks pensive today. सायरा looks आज सायरा जो है उदास दिखाई देती है. सायरा looks pensive today. सायरा looks pensive today. सायरा आज उदास दिखाई देती है. Pensive means in a sad mood. In a sad mood. सायरा looks pensive today. सायरा looks pensive today. सायरा आज उदास दिखाई देती है. Pensive means in a sad mood. In a sad mood. सायरा looks pensive today. सायरा आज उदास दिखाई देती है. A beautiful sentence and a present definite tense. Memorize it. And pensive is a specific word. It means in a sad mood. Let's move to the next sentence. आइए अगले जुमले को देखते हैं. Next phrase you see here. If Sam comes, we shall help him. If Sam comes, we shall help him. These are students. Dear students, as you see that this is a conditional sentence and it's the first condition. If Sam comes, it's in the present tense and we shall help him. Yes, in the future indefinite. So in first condition and conditional sentences, we translate the first part in present definite and the second in future. As both of these we translate them in future. So here you see, if Sam comes, अगर Sam आएगा, we shall help him, हम उसकी मदद करेंगे. If Sam comes, we shall help him. अगर Sam आएगा, हम उसकी मदद करेंगे. If Sam comes, we shall help him. अगर Sam आएगा, हम उसकी मदद करेंगे. In Urdu, both of the statements are in future indefinite. So, but when we translate it into English, so by rules and by conditions that apply, first part is translated in present definite and second part is translated in future indefinite. In other case, we can also translate both of these parts of this sentence in future. If Sam comes, we shall help him. अगर Sam आएगा तो हम उसकी मदद करेंगे. If Sam will come, we shall help him. If Sam will come, अगर Sam आएगा, we shall help him. हम उसकी मदद करेंगे. So if shows the condition. If Sam comes, अगर Sam आता है, we shall help him. हम उसकी मदद करेंगे. This is a conditional sentence. इसे शर्तीय जुमला कहा जाता है और शर्तीय जुमलों की तीन इकसाम होती हैं. तो ये फर्स्ट जो है फर्स्ट कंडीशनल है, पहले शर्तीय जुमले हैं और ये एक हिस्सा प्रेजेंट डेफिनेट में और दूसरा हिस्सा इसका फ्यूचर इंडेफिनेट में ट्रांसलेट किया जाता है इन इंग्लिश में. और in many cases both of these parts of the same sentence are translated in future indefinite. So इसमें कथन नहीं है, प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर में भी हम इनको ट्रांसलेट कर सकते हैं और दोनों को फ्यूचर इंडेफिनेट में भी कर सकते हैं. और ये चूंकि कंडीशन है इसलिए इसे खूबसूरत बनाने के लिए एक हिस्से को प्रेजेंट डेफिनेट और दूसरे को फ्यूचर इंडेफिनेट में ट्रांसलेट किया जाता है. अगर सैम आएगा तो हम उसकी मदद करेंगे. If Sam comes, we shall help him. If Sam comes, we shall help him. A beautiful phrase. Let's move to the next sentence. आइए अगले जुमले की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. Here see my students. Don't mock at others' bend. Don't mock at others' bend. Don't mock at others' bend. This is an imperative and a negative sense. Don't mock at others' bend. Mock at is a phrasal verb. To laugh at others, to make fun of others. Mock at means to laugh at others, to make fun of others. So mock is a verb and at is a preposition. So combining both a preposition and verb, so it's called phrasal verb. So mock is is a regular verb. Mock, mocked, mocked. My students, mock is a regular verb. Mock, 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 and we add at with it by rules. So mock at means to laugh at others, to make fun of others. So mock at is a phrasal verb. So don't mock at others when. Don't mock at others when. When दूसरों का मजाक ना उड़ाओ. Mock at means मजाक उड़ाना. Don't mock at others when. Don't mock at others when. When दूसरों का मजाक ना उड़ाओ. Don't mock at others when. Don't mock at others when दूसरों का मजाक ना उड़ाओ. A beautiful sentence again. Let's move to the next sentence and phrase. As you see, my students here, the plane has not taken off yet. The plane has not taken off yet. The plane has not taken off yet. जहाज ने अभी तक उड़ान नहीं ली है. हवाई जहाज ने अभी तक उड़ान नहीं ली है. The plane has not taken off. Take off. Take off means to fly. To fly. Take off is a phrasal verb. It means fly. Fly is a verb. Fly, flew, flown. So synonym of take up. Take off is a fly. So take up. Take up is a phrasal verb. So in this present perfect tense here. So in this tense we use the past participle form of verb take, that is taken. So the plane has not taken off yet. जहाज ने अभी तक प्रवास नहीं ली है. जहाज ने अभी तक उड़ान नहीं भरी है. The plane has not taken off yet. The plane has not taken off yet. हवाई जहाज ने अभी तक उड़ान नहीं ली है. हवाई जहाज ने अभी तक उड़ान नहीं ली है. हवाई जहाज ने अभी तक उड़ान नहीं भरी है. The plane has not taken off yet. Has not is a negative sense, negative form of present perfect tense. जहाज ने अभी तक उड़ान नहीं ली है. The plane has not taken off yet. Take off is a phrasal verb. Take off means to fly. So taken off is the third verb form taken. Past participle इसे कहते हैं. Take की past participle form taken है. So off, off is a preposition. Adding preposition, so it means that it's a phrasal verb taken off. Yet means अभी तक. The plane has not taken off yet. The plane has not taken off yet. A beautiful sentence. जहाज ने अभी तक उड़ान नहीं ली है. हवाई जहाज ने अभी तक उड़ान नहीं भरी है. Let's move to the next sentence. आइए अगले जुमले को देखते हैं. If Nilo sang well, she would win. If Nilo sang well, she would win. You see, my students, again we have if in the start, so this is also a conditional sentence. It's in the past form. This is a second conditional tense. It is always in the past verb form. So you see here, if Nilo sang. Sang is the second form of verb sing. So sang is a past tense verb form. So well means acha. If Nilo sang well, well is an adverb because it qualifies sang. So if Nilo sang well, अगर नीलो ने अच्छा गाना गाया, अगर नीलो ने अच्छा गाना गाया, she would win, वो जीत जाएगी. She would win, वो जीत जाएगी. If Nilo sang well, she would win the contest. If Nilo sang well, she would win the contest. If Nilo sang well, she would win. अगर नीलो ने अच्छा गाना गाया तो वो जीत जाएगी. अगर नीलो ने अच्छा गाना गाया तो वो जीत जाएगी. If Nilo sang well, she would win. If Nilo sang well, she would win. अगर नीलो ने अच्छा गाना गाया तो वो जीत जाएगी. It's a second conditional sentence. In the second conditional sentence, by students, the second verb form of is used. You see here, sang is the second verb form of sing, and would is the second verb form of will. Will, the past of will is would, and the past of sing is sang. So if Nilo sang well, she would win. If Nilo sang well, she would win. अगर नीलो ने अच्छा गाना गाया वो जीत जाएगी. अगर नीलो ने अच्छा गाना गाया वो जीत जाएगी. If Nilo sang well, she would win. If Nilo sang well, she would win. अगर नीलो ने अच्छा गाना गाया वो जीत जाएगी. Let's see the next sentence. अगले जुमले की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. You see, my students, the vase is full of flowers. The vase is full of flowers. The vase is full of flowers. This is a simple present tense use of is, and you see the vase. Vase is a noun. Vase means गुलदान. गुलदान, एक गुलदान को कहते हैं जिसमें फूल सजाए जाते कहते हैं the vase is full of. Full of is a phrasal verb. Full of means भरा हुआ, भरा हुआ. The vase is full of flowers. 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 गुलदान फूलों से भरा हुआ है. The vase is full of flowers. The vase is full of flowers. गुलदान फूलों से भरा हुआ है. This is an adverbial phrase. So see here, the vase is full of flowers. गुलदान फूलों से भरा हुआ है. Full of means भरा हुआ. The vase is full of flowers. This is an adverbial phrase. Adverbial phrase. The vase is full of flowers. The vase is full of flowers. गुलदान फूलों से भरा हुआ है. Hey, my students, these are very interesting phrases and sentences, different sentences, and these include phrasal verbs and some special words. Memorize these sentences. I wish you all the best. I'll see you again. Goodbye. Goodbye.